If you searched how to buy shares of Borgestad ASA, this video outlines the basic steps. Borgestad ASA is a Norwegian industrial group with shipping and property interests listed on Euronext under the ticker BOR.OL. This is educational information, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and we will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, typically with an identity document, and add funds before placing an order. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker BOR.OL to locate the listing. Make sure you choose the Borgestad ASA stock that is traded on Euronext. Open the asset page to view basic company details and the price chart. Confirm the ticker and company name so you are on the correct Borgestad ASA listing. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to use, then carefully review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be submitted as pending until trading resumes, and the platform will prompt you to add funds if you do not have enough balance. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once the trade is executed or pending. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description below.